Welcome back to our channel. Today we look the different type of mirror cabinet in the bathroom. As in this picture you can see a very sleek color cabinet. About this thing is this one of the two door mirror wooden rack or cabinet placed over the sink. This is very big cabinet in front of mirror panel, and this is very small cabinet with side empty, and this is once again a very beautiful mirror cabinet above the sink. This is a very large one but very small with a beautiful structure. This is multiple are closed with LED and side three compartment. This is a round shape mirror of bathroom. The next one is a beautiful mirror used in this for region. One is very simple wide one with central cabinet. This is a mirror cabinet. This small sky type cabinet you normally in small bathroom. This is once again a very beautiful, very delightful mirror of bathroom. This one is a separate you can place in somewhere else. Also this one again very elegant look of bathroom mirror. This mirror cabinet looks beautiful with the shade of this wall. This is another simple central emitter cabinet, and this side is a blanket. This one is a very beautiful cabinet. See this whether you are looking a good person or not. Now please subscribe our channel. We have a lot of more videos you can watch.